Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Another video brought to you by Rib. Again, we're in the 4.4 series. It's going pretty awesome. It's coming on quite significant now. Oh, shizzle. Let's go into the server. Let's show you what's new this time. One thing that's going to be a bit of a pain is on these videos, obviously, they've got download links to mission files. So obviously, if I downloaded the mission file off that one, it's an old one. So always make sure you're downloading the mission file from the latest video, or you're just going to be uploading an older one, you know. Because I already had people saying the links don't work in these videos, but they're older ones. So I'll just put in the description of these, make sure you download the latest mission file from the latest video. But anyway, let's go into the server. So if you want to know what's been done already, go and check the previous videos, the hashtag 1, 2, 3 and 4. Gangster's Paradise. We've changed the name a bit, but just made it a bit custom. So let's join. First thing first, we have added some. There's at least 4 scripts that have been added from Altislife RPG.com. Big shout out to the creators who created the scripts over there. I'll leave them in the description. But I'll show you what's on here, and if you have any problems, I might do another video showing you how to install them scripts. But hey ho, let's go. Save, let's join. Mission file's grown quite significant. That's the skins, pictures. There you go. They're massive. But hey ho, it's all good. So we added some new intro text. When you join the server, it comes up on the right saying welcome to Altislife, etc. And you can customize all that. We added some new animations, which was the shift, numpad 1, 2, 3 and 4. We added a new spawn interface, which is pretty nice. It looks very smart. I do like it, I must say. Big shout out to the creator over on the Altislife forum. And it was a very easy implementation. There's tutorials for most of these scripts that I'll link below. Earplugs, shift and end. We had to make our own custom crusher. Brought that over from my other servers. And we have a new tablet, which again is a tutorial over on the Altislife forum. And we have added the SQL smartphone, basically your messages save in your smartphone, which is awesome. So let's join, let's see these little scripts. What I'll do, guys, I'll put this video in 2 parts, although it'll be in the same video. After I've showed you what everything is, I'll show you how to implement this stuff in case you have problems, just because I'll show you what I did, because that's the way we're going. But this is the new interface, looks very smart. Kavala, Pygos, let's just spawn, enter. Straight away you see on the right here, visit our website, ihaze.co.uk, join our TeamSpeak 74.91.112, blah blah blah. Please enjoy your stay, Rib. Okay, we did miss a bit of text at the beginning. As you can see, the cool taxi's been moved as well. That's all working very efficiently. Just jump in with him. I'll say that. It's just buggered up. What was up with you, mate? What happened there? Oh, now it'll work. That was a bit fast. Wait for the arrow, wait for the arrow. So let's just click a main road. Let's go up there. He should boot us off. This script was made by Travis, who I believe. I've got a video on this script and links to it in the previous videos, but it's pretty damn dank. Anyway, so let's go to Y. New tablet. Awesome. Messages, which are now persistent. Awesome. Let's just have a test. Hello, Mark. Send. Close. Gang. Settings. Keys. All functional. Market. That won't work unless you added the. It's the player-driven economy anyway. The dynamic economy. There is links for it on the Altislife. We might come into it at some point. And obviously the custom cell phone, which I don't think Mark's in there at the minute. Let me just get hold of him. Elliot, Mark, can you message me on the server, please? Thank you. So let's wait for a message back. So this driving mechanics are absolutely awesome now, I must say. There you go, hello Rib. So we go to our cell phone, Mark. Hello Rib! You know, so I can come back out of that. As you know, your messages disappear when there's no database. We had to run some database code for this, but like I said, and this next part I'll show you how to implement these scripts. So I think that more or less covers it. We added the new intro text, we added the new animations, I'll show you them. Let's stop this taxi, which are old to be fair. I had them on my server back in the day, but you might not have seen them. Same again, this is just key handler code. It's very simple. The code's over on Altislife, I'll link it below. But we have these, so we're going to do some taekwondo. So as you can see, the cell phone messages have gone, but if we go messages, mark, hello Rib, sweet. And these messages were from last night. So everything's all fully working. Now let's go for part 2. Oh, let's just have a look at some more. Hey dude, do you want to stop what you're doing? It does take every video. That's just unbelievable. Let's do some. Oh, that's the shit animation. No, it's not. It's just some knee bends. Okay, but anyway, the shift 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've gone on to shift 1 and 2. Let's do 3 while we're here. What the hell? Is there no 4? No, shift 1, 2, and 3, I think. Okay, anyway, they're the new additions to the Altislife 4.4 server. Files are down below. Like I said on the previous videos, just download the mission file off this one because it's the most updated, obviously. And this next part, I'm going to show you how to implement some scripts. Although there is tutorials there's still some of you guys that are going to have issues with it, so I might as well just show you what I did. So let's go. We are back. It's the second part, and the first tutorial, which is linked below, was from a guy called Alaska Vet, and this one is for the intro text. So it says here, navigate to your core folder and create a folder called intro, then create a file called intro text. So let's go to our server, wherever you may be. Server. So go to our core folder. Altislife updated, Steam apps, common, Armor 3. But what I did, guys, because there's a bit of an issue with it, I just put it in my main Armor folder, and then he says here to put it in your main Armor folder. Then create this file and put that inside the folder. Obviously we did that, which was fn intro text.sqf. It says go back to your root directory and then enter the dialog folder and then function folder. Once in the function folder, open the fn spawn and put this bit of code in that underneath this, and add the following, add this. We did that, and as you can read down here, it didn't work for some people, so I did what this guy said. So where I added this, if we go to my missions, rib, just in your main init, nope, I just added it here, and mine obviously isn't in my core folder, so I'll just put intro text. That's in the init.sqf, and there's my intro folder, and there's my intro text. So when you want to edit and add your information about your server, you just edit this one. Okay, what does it says? It says it should now look like this, but it doesn't because we haven't put ours at the spawn point. All we did, like I just showed you, all you do for this one, very simple. The MP mission, go to your mission, create a folder called intro, no capitals, make sure it's got capitals and stuff are a very important thing. Just remember that it has to appear exactly how mine appears. Intro, and create that file fn_intro text.sqf, all lower caps, and inside paste that code. Obviously this bit of the video is only for those that want to do this stuff themselves, or you want to add this to a different kind of server and you're having trouble with it. This is how you do it. The link for it's in below. And then all we did was we added that in the init.sqf in your main folder, but we didn't add it in the course. Ours just says intro /fn intro text. So it was just the main mission folder, main root, and it's just added to that in it, and there's my intro folder. Sweet. So that's that script. Next script is a very easy one. Come on! Okay, that's fine. So all you do on this one, guys, go to your core functions FN key handler and paste this code somewhere in there. So core functions key handler. What I did, if we scroll down, yep, just here. I just went to the bottom section, just went under U or under O. I did this here. Make sure it's formatted the same. If it isn't, make sure you just use another little tip, guys. And yeah, if you everything's over here on the left, just press tab, or if you go to edit, indent, and it will tell you there tab if I wanted to increase or decrease the indent. If you know what I mean. Well, I'll show you what I mean. So that was that section. Edit, indent. So if you wanted to decrease, so if you've uploaded it's like that, just press tab, highlight it all, and press tab, because it has to be formatted the same. Okay, so that's a simple one. You just edit that one file, the key handler, and that's for those animations, push-ups, etc. So we then added another very easy basic edit. We just edited the spawn selection APP with this one. This gives us that nice GUI, that nice interface, which is great. I do think it's very smart by Amazing. Oh no, author was entity. Credits to those guys. Next we added. Good thing about 4.4, there's a lot of tutorials. We added, what was this? Yeah, the new Y-pad Y menu. So on this one, it says, I think this is a very easy one as well. Open the following dialog inventory and replace the content share. I think that was literally all you had to do. Oh no, yeah. And then we had to have an images folder. So we replaced the player inventory with this. So obviously we went to dialog, back to your mission folder, dialog, player inventory, and we just replaced the entire, but we'll come back to this bit, the entire file with that code there. Then it says for the icons you have to put the images direct in your mission route, which is this. So download it off that link there, guys, and then go to your mission route and just add that images folder that's supplied. Just add it there. Okay, right, now there is a tutorial that's like 10 hours long. I don't think we'll be doing that one. What else was that? Oh, basic earplugs. Very basic earplugs. Let's go back over here. Nope, don't go over there. Oh, duh. It's early. I haven't been up long. Right, this one is earplugs. So replace the spawns. That one is not earplugs. Where's the earplugs gone? Earplugs. So navigate to your route and enter the core functions and open up the key handler. Same again, just paste this in your key handler. You just did that and this will make it shift and end. We did it with the animations, so it's pretty damn simps. Core functions. Core functions, key handler. Just obviously paste it. For instance, that's it. Save that. Job's good. And you will now have earphones. And the one quite technical for probably a lot of people, will be the SQL smartphone, which is this one. So this tutorial will take your time with. Open up your configuration, add the following, where there's the life variable, add this under the life variable. So I'll take you through it because it's a bit of a hard one. Let's go back to our mission. MP missions rib core config. Duh. Really annoys me. And go to your life variables, and as you can see I just added it there underneath the hunger. Okay, that was that part. That one. the CFG remote, add this. So CFG remote, which was in the, is that just the main folder? Yeah. CFG remote, which is in your main directory, add that, which was added to here. Underneath the server section, as you can see, all these say server. These, the code he gives you says server, so it goes there. Okay. Next, and go to functions HPP and add the following fields below class menu. So we added these. Functions, player menu, and player menu. Here we are. And then we added, what did he say now? Open up your master handler, HPP, and add this. Master handler, which is permissions dialog, master handler. Just added that there. And then go to replace the on button click in the player inventory. So dialog, player inventory, replace that button which was here. On button click, just replace that bit of code with what he gives you. Happy days. Not long enough, not much left. Create new file in dialog folder with it, call it smartphones. Here's your code for the smartphone.hpp file in the dialog folder. Dialog folder smartphone.hpp, sorted. And in the stringable, add this new package. So in the stringable, which is in your main mission, stringable, edit. As you can see, I added the new package down here, in between, within the project. Okay, then we go to the core, to the folder core P menu, and create three new files. Make sure they're named exactly that with that file. So as that was in the core P menu, core P menu, and within there, show message, new message, and what was the other one? Should we just go and have a look? Cell phone, maybe. Show message, smartphone. Smartphone there. Sweet. Okay, we've got those three. So then you have to do a bit on the live server part. So open up your config CPP. So what I did on the 3 server, go to your live server, add-ons, just delete the PBO you've got of the live server. So this is the one you're going to repack. And it says go to your config CPP and add that class. So down here under in the TON system, we added that class smartphone. Same again, use the increment indent. Let's go to, so we added that. Go into the functions folder and create a directory called smartphone and add these two new files. Make sure that file's called that, for instance, smartphone. So functions, smartphone, create those 2 new files. That's your code for them. And then the last bit, which is the important bit, is you've got to run this SQL code, SQL query on your database. So let's go to your database, highlight your database, go to query, new query, paste that code in your database, and run it. So guys, that was it. That was the new edits on the Altis 4.4 server. Soon probably to be converted over to Lakeside or something like that. It's looking like Lakeside at the minute because it's by far on the vote outdoing any of the others. However, like I said, I probably am going to keep an Altislife, this project mission, running also. So feel free to come and jump on it. Yeah, let's have a blast. And the mission files, all the contents are down below. Everything's there for you. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope it's helped. big up to the script creators over on the Altislife for those tutorials. They're awesome, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Remember to like if you enjoyed the content. If you're using the content, all I ask is just for a like, just to let me know that you're enjoying it, and I'll keep it going. If I don't see any response, there's no point in me doing it. So guys, have a good day, have a good weekend, enjoy. Until next time, adios amigos. Peace.